You've probably heard all sorts of theories about the pyramids of Egypt, astronomical observatories, alien landing pads, divine monuments. But what about ancient refrigerators? Believe it or not, that's actually a theory you might stumble across, especially if you venture into the more speculative corners of the internet. The idea goes like this. The Great Pyramid of Giza, known for towering over the desert for thousands of years, wasn't just an extravagant tomb. Some propose it was built to keep things cold, possibly grain, water, or even food for the afterlife. Maybe the ancient Egyptians, armed with astounding engineering skills, figured out how to harness physics to ward off decay. It certainly sounds fascinating. After all, the temperature inside the pyramids does stay relatively cool, even as Cairo's summers reach their scorching peak. Step through the massive limestone blocks, and you'll find that the chambers are noticeably cooler than the world outside. Doesn't that mean the pyramid is a kind of giant icebox? Well, not quite. You see, thick stone walls are good insulators, slowing the transfer of heat. When a structure has minimal windows or entrances, like a pyramid, less sunlight and warm air get in. So, while the interior becomes a kind of thermal buffer, it's not actually refrigerating anything. The temperature inside the pyramids generally hovers just below the average daily temperature for the region. Cool, sure, but not cold enough to keep milk from spoiling in the Egyptian heat. But what about the rumors of mysterious mechanisms, like shafts or hidden chambers, that circulated for centuries? In some versions of the refrigerator theory, those are repurposed as ventilation systems or supposed conduits for cold air. However, archaeologists have spent years investigating these so-called vents, finding they mostly align with certain stars or cardinal points. Their purpose remains debated, but it isn't refrigeration. Where, then, did this idea originate? Partly, it's a testament to the imagination inspired by ancient engineering. Modern cooling technology is often hidden behind complex systems. We see a massive, insulated structure and naturally wonder, could it have served a similar purpose? As with most things about the pyramids, the mundane answer, tombs for pharaohs, is less romantic, though much more grounded in evidence. The truth is, while the Great Pyramid is a marvel of construction and thermal mass does stabilize temperatures, the notion of ancient Egyptian refrigerators is based more on creative speculation than on archaeology. The real mysteries of the pyramids may be grand, but sometimes the answers are cooler in theory than they are in practice.